You searched how to turn Google Form responses into a PDF. I'll show you exactly that. Open your form and click the Responses tab at the top. When you do, the page changes from the question editor to a summary of all the answers. You'll see charts for multiple choice questions and a list of individual responses below. Don't use the green Sheets button because that sends everything to Google Sheets, not a PDF. Instead, find the 3 vertical dots near the top right of the Responses section. Click those. A drop-down opens with a few options. Download responses as CSV, delete all responses, and print all responses. Leave the others alone. Choose Print All Responses. Your browser's print preview opens, and you'll see the whole list laid out on paper pages. The summary charts sit at the top, then each responder's answers appear underneath in the order they came in. If you have a lot of responses, give it a few seconds to build the preview. Wait until the page thumbnail stops shifting before you click anything. On the left side of the print window, click the Destination dropdown. Choose Save as PDF. If it already says Save as PDF, you're set. If it shows your printer name, click it, then change it to Save as PDF. If you hit Print with your printer selected, you'll get a paper copy that could be 20 pages long. Now click the Save button at the bottom of the print preview. A file save window opens. The default file name is usually just your form title. I change it to something like May Workshop Responses Final, so it doesn't disappear in downloads, then click Save there. Once the file downloads, open it from the download bar at the bottom of the browser. Check for page breaks. Google Forms can split a long paragraph answer across 2 pages, and that makes it harder to read. If you see that, go back to the print window. Click More Settings, then turn off headers and footers. That removes the browser's automatic title and page numbers, and it usually gives the text enough room to land on one page. If you need to sort or filter these answers later, the PDF is the wrong format. Go back to the Responses tab. Open the same 3-dot menu. Choose Download Responses as CSV. That gives you a spreadsheet version, which is much better for filtering one question at a time. If this got your form responses into a PDF, hit like and subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful because comments are what push this to the next person searching for the same thing.